So let's flush or descale a tankless water heater. This is how things start out, and they start to get a little bit discolored when you remove more and more debris out of the water heater. In this case, they were complaining about a noise in the water heater, so got my handy dandy kit out, and guess what we found? When we took the fan out, we found some bugs in the fan and cleaned it up real nice, and it looks nearly brand new again. Now we're finishing things up, closing up the water heater, and this is what it looks like, how much we actually removed out of the water heater. Then we're going to clean out the internal filter. Look at all of that debris that was clogged in there, and it's beautiful now. We'll put that thing back in, we'll get power back to the water heater, turn it on, restore water flow like it should, and everything is great.